To access Siri, all the user must do is press and hold the home button on an iPhone or say, "Hey Siri." Once accessed, the device beeps and vibrates, and a screen that subtly suggests to the user to give a command comes up that reads, "What can I help you with?" And this message is verbally read. If the user is unresponsive for roughly 3 seconds, a screen of options is brought up that instructs the user of the various prompts that can be implemented. Along the process of communicating with Siri, help screens appear if the user is unresponsive that are appropriate to the situation. Siri's vocal recognition is not nearly as impressive as other systems similar to it. In a YouTube review called Siri versus Alexa by James Vick, he compares the two advancements in vocal recognition side by side. Siri was unable to compete with Alexa in this category. Alexa is a user-friendly device and is a great addition to many users' lifestyles, since one of the best features is that it can be controlled from long distances. However, one aspect that the developer of Alexa didn't take into consideration is some of its users will not have an English-speaking background. It's hard for this group to use this device since it supports and receives data only in the English language. I think supporting more languages will be a great addition to Alexa. Siri's users often customize the voice since there is a variety of voices, male or female, that include different accents to choose from. Much like Google, Siri is capable of integrating by using past actions to predict what sort of content to pull up. This allows for a faster processing speed and accurate results. Siri is also able to handle different voice dialects and learns what the main user's voice sounds like, or other trusted voices. This is useful so Siri can be used by the main user even with outside noises. Alexa covers many aspects, thus the device has many professions. But for the purpose of this class, I have picked two. First, Alexa Applications Developer. The main duty of this job is to utilize APIs and/or the techniques to provide valuable data sets for exposure through voice-enabled interfaces. Second, User Experience Designer. Alexa Data Services is one of the professions that I'm trying to get in. The main job is to create user-centric designs by considering customer feedback and usability findings. Software development and integration engineers mainly are involved in the creation of Siri, as well as product and project managers. Software engineers oversee the development of software and operating systems involved in the creation of Siri. This includes the design, the construction, and the maintenance of software, while project managers oversee the project as a whole and ensure the functionality of the team as a whole. With all of the features that Alexa provides for the users, I think there are some issues that arise about this device. The privacy issues are one of them. It's a risk that the user of Alexa will take to let a device access his or her information and expose the personal information to hackers. What makes me concerned more is issues in the programming of Alexa that happened recently that led the device to produce creepy voices. Privacy is also a concern for Siri in a similar way as it is for Alexa. Both are always listening, so they can be activated. But Siri also collects endless amounts of data that's produced by a user as they use each of their device's applications. This information is valuable to hackers since it is valuable to companies. This information is sought after so advertisements can be customized and current apps can be innovated, and much more. Another issue that applies to both Siri and Alexa is dependability. As technology progresses as a tool and becomes more necessary to incorporate when completing tasks, knowing these tools are reliable is crucial. The scheduling assistant alone could lead to many problems if an error occurs when using it. Missed appointments is a large effect for a minor glitch to cause. Why is accessibility?